Remember, always stare at the goat.
Your attention, please.
So now that we've seen the sneak peek, we're back in the gallery, and as you can see, there's a demo behind me. There's a lot of artwork, so I'm going to show you guys, and then we're going to go, hopefully, to the lockers, like Kids of Thunder, go over to DCA, and just keep our day rolling. But the more I see the previews and that, the more I kind of want to see the movie, even though it's really, really sad. I mean, the whole mom part really upset me during the animation in the cartoon. So I don't think we will see the movie, but it does look really good, and I'm excited to Ashley's Instagram me to show you all of the artwork that is back there. This scene, this is the scene that turns me off of this movie. It's just too sad. Well, mom lives, but it's just that scene is just too sad.
Why is she mad? It's just taking away from them.
Yeah. Oh no, it was the theme park that they showed in the sneak peek. The theme park looks amazing.
My question is, so does that mean that Dumbo stays that small?
Yeah, I don't know. They never really showed Dumbo growing up. And just really quickly, now that we're into the theme park area, doesn't this look like Disneyland? I'm sorry. To me, that just looks like Disneyland. Like, you have the castle, and then you have, this looks more like Frontierland, but then you have like Tomorrowland. Like, to me, this just looks like Disneyland. Sorry, I just had to. Okay, back to the art. Hi, Reflection. I like this one. And lastly, we have costumes from the movie. Or I shouldn't say lastly. We got one more thing to check out. This is the last thing we need to check out. Okay, well, we killed a few minutes before Thunder. I have a question for you guys. Are they going overboard with this food stuff? Ashley definitely thinks they are. I mean, there's pizza. What else? Pizza.
They're for youth though. They don't
socks,
have
cupcakes, popcorn, donuts, another t-shirt. I mean, I like this one. I like this. I mean, I think there's too many styles of these mini backpacks, but just all of this food stuff.
So if you think there's too many, that means you're gonna buy me?
No, that's not gonna happen.
Yeah.
But I'm sorry, what's with this food thing? Is it just a trend? Is it just a 2019 trend? Even though this was in 2018 as well, but I don't know. What is your guys' opinion on all this food stuff? Because it just seems to be growing and growing, and how is that Disney related? What does that have to do with Disney? What does that have to do with Mickey or Minnie? No, Disney's food is awesome. And that's how I think it started, but is it truly just getting out of hand now? Okay, so where are we headed? Are we just gonna do more shopping? I think we're gonna do a little more shopping. Let's.
Well, I have a nephew, so.
Well, right, that's true.
I don't know.
But why we're in the girls section?
I don't know. The more I see the outfits.
I don't know. We should try to find objects to try to name the price.
I bought it, but where happened to it?
I don't know. What happened to your mug? Did you leave it at the house?
Probably.
I don't know. I use my mug that I bought all the time.
Oh, this is cute.
I'm getting there. I'm getting there. Just going through all the mugs because I like mugs. Which one's this one? What did it say?
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday.
That's a cute cup. I like that.
It's the rubber thing.
Oh, it's got the rubber top.
Yeah. This
Okay.
one's interesting.
Oh, and this one's got this top too. And this just got you. This is more like your old-fashioned open top. Stop moving.
Sorry.
But I like all of those. Mug mugs, soup bowls. They're not quite as big as they used to be because I have this exact one.
Oh, it's the same size.
No, it's not. Mine is definitely bigger.
Just seems
It's more
bigger.
soup bowl. No, mine's more soup bowly.
Where's Elle?
And then you get the old-fashioned mugs.
Grandma.
The ones that are labeled. And
Where's this person all around?
Nightwing. I like these ones. And then these ones to me just don't really seem to serve a purpose.
Well, people collect mugs.
Yeah, people just collect them. Yeah.
Just like people collect earrings.
All right. And then these always crack me up because we searched when we first started coming. We searched everywhere for these, and now they are everywhere.
I know. The first time, remember we saw like
Well,
this thing, this
right.
whole thing, and then we were gonna get them at the end of the trip for my mom. And when we went to go find them, there was nowhere. We asked the cast members, they looked on their computer to see where they could find it, nothing. And then the next time we came back, they were all over the place like they are now.
So that started the trend of if you see it, buy it. Don't wait, because if you wait, they will sell out. So this mug is what started our number one rule shopping. Our number one shopping rule. If you see it, buy it. Don't wait. It will sell out. Okay, now that we got our quick little sidetrack out of the way, I think it's time that we finally hop on our Thunder Mountain Fast Pass. If you're wearing hats or glasses. Sorry, I leave mine on. Remember, always stare at the goat. Oh! Oh! Woo! Oh! Oh! So it's time for lunch, so we decided that we would mobile order the Jolly Holiday sandwiches and salads. So let's just see what we ordered, and we actually kind of got something for free. So I got the focaccia sandwich. It's just like turkey and your normal kind of sandwich with the chips. And Ashley got the what? Fontana's salad?
That was a Jolly Holiday.
Jolly Holiday salad. Jolly Holiday salad, which looks really good with the vinaigrette sauce. Looks really good. And then the lady screwed up and gave us tomato soup.
Well, she didn't screw up.
She didn't screw up.
She just got enough.
They're- Yeah, they did a little too much. There was like 4 plates that all had soup. So I think she just kind of got it, like Ashley just said, got in a rhythm. But anyways, we got a free soup. We got a soda, and always ask for water because it's free. Always ask for water. So we're gonna grub because Ashley's
Ask nicely.
nicely, yeah. Ask nicely. But Ashley, I already see, is digging in.
I'm hungry.
So she's hungry. I'm hungry. Well, I'm lightweight hungry. That breakfast this morning was a lot.
Oh,
So
wasn't.
she's mixing. I'm gonna dig in, and then afterwards we'll talk and see how these were. So we finished eating. My sandwich was okay, and I realized it was focaccia bread, not the Fontana, but it's basically a caprese sandwich with mozzarella, tomato, and a vinaigrette. But I don't like tomatoes, so mine was pretty much just a mozzarella focaccia
You
bread.
don't like tomatoes, but you're eating tomatoes.
But I am eating the tomato soup. I don't like raw tomatoes. Any other tomatoes I'll eat. I just don't like raw tomatoes. So my sandwich was okay. Ashley's salad, I think she liked it, but I had the walnuts. Walnuts are good. So Ashley is sitting here nodding her head behind the camera. So she liked her salad. So we both recommend the Jolly Holiday salad and the focaccia caprese sandwich. The tomato soup I'm in love with. It's delicious. I wish that they had some Tabasco out here because I love heat in almost all of my soups. But the soup is delicious. The salad was delicious. My sandwich was okay for me. I like caprese. I like caprese pizzas. So the sandwich was good. It was filling. And yeah, what?
So you say you like heat, right?
Yeah.
I have a dare, and you guys have to comment yes or no if he should do it. We have this new heat, Tabasco.
I know where this is going. We have this new hot sauce. So I'm going to take over because I know exactly where this is going.
I dare you to have a whole teaspoon. Or is it teaspoon or tablespoon? Which one's smaller?
Teaspoon.
So a teaspoon, a whole teaspoon, like filled to the top, leveled out of it, and we'll film it for you guys.
Okay, so let me run this down because she's jumping a lot of steps here.
No.
She's daring. If we get enough comments and enough likes on this video, she will make me. So enough likes, enough comments. The dare is I have to eat a teaspoon of this hot sauce called Pain 100%. And it is 40 times hotter than a jalapeno. I cook with it, I put it in soups, and I put one little drop is enough. So a whole teaspoon, that would be
Don't
a
worry,
lot.
we'll have milk.
So, and I don't like milk, so
Well, it's
milk
chocolate
doesn't help.
milk.
But chocolate milk will help. But anyways, if you comment and like this video, we will film me eating a teaspoon of this Pain 100. But until then, I think we're gonna wrap up eating here. Ashley's eating all of my chips. We're gonna kind of wander and relax, and then we'll head over to DCA because we have a fast pass for 7 o'clock tonight for Radiator Springs, and we have our 5 o'clock dining package dinner for World of Color. So we're really excited for that. So we're gonna kick it, we're gonna relax a little bit, maybe do some like scenic filming, and let you guys enjoy the sounds and sights of Disneyland along with us. So yeah, like I said, we're gonna wrap up and probably head off into Main Street here.
It's supposed to be like
It's open! And somebody else is here filming too.